Okay, here we are with another situation. So I have this image placed on 0, so I will start drawing a vertical line from here. So I have a all snap here, so I will start control point here, let's say about here. First point must be aligned with the first with the end of the curve, so something like this. Here I need more points to describe a more aggressive curve, something like this, for example. Now I can move the points, can fix the curve a bit more. Maybe this is useless. This one could be here, there. So now I will use revolve, but once I define the axis, and before finishing the command, I will choose deformable equal yes, point count 8, so I can edit the surface later. So now, instead of being a degree 2 surface, it's a degree 3 surface. So all the points are floating over the surface instead of touching it. So for example, I could grab these points and only these points and scale them this way. So the top is elliptical and the bottom is circular. So now I will draw the curves, let's say this. And this again, the last 2 points must be aligned. Something like this. So I have this rail and this rail. Now I need the cross section, and that could be by a circle and then a circle by diameter, vertical, there. So I have this. I guess this could be more like an ellipse. So now set 2. Here, and I have this situation here. I will use rebuild command, and I will choose cross section 8 points, and the other section I could use 8.2, I guess. Let's say 10. Maybe 10 is too much. Let's say 8. So I have this situation. I will flip it. I will choose enable points. So this first row of points scale to 0. So it goes down there. This one could be more close here. This one there. This one there. I will hide the curves because I don't need them anymore. F10, and maybe scale all this point here, scale this one there until I'm happy enough with the shape. I don't have too much information of this view here, so I guess it should go this way. Maybe these points could be here and this one here. This point, something like this. Here, this row of points, I don't need them, so I could double click this and delete them. So I guess this is okay. I could try to scale this in one direction here. This one, now I could make both lines. So I can, for example, trim this and this and rotate this from 0 to use a surface without seams in the middle, without a seam in the middle. We'll use shrink trimmer surface to adjust the control points to this shape, and now I could draw the trimming curves for the blend surface. Let's say something like this. So, for example, I will trim this one and trim this one. Here I have some weird shapes, so I guess this one should be something like this. In fact, I could project this first to have a preview of the trimming surface. Here it looks better, and if I adjust the input curve thanks to record history, the projection will date. So, for example, something like this, I think it's okay. So now I can trim it, everything. Delete this. All the curves to another layer. Change, hide, and now I could use blend surface. This one and this one. I can align the seam first. Okay, there. And it looks quite okay, but I could add a few shapes to align it a bit better. There. Here I don't like this, so I could add something like this and something like this maybe. And now I could hold Alt and left mouse button here to change the orientation of the handle there. So I have a bit more room in this surface here. The same here, I could go and align the handle to the other end. This one too. Hold Alt, click, and Alt again to use the other arm snap. There. Okay. Showing, let's check continuity. It's okay. Still a bit weird here, but I think it's okay. Maybe you should try another trimming curve to improve this situation here. Then mirror showing cap, and done. That's it.